Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm doing a couple of pork loins, pork tenderloins on the London Sunshine 15-inch Kamado Jr. All right, let me go inside, show you how I get this all put together, show you how this is all done. That thing did a fantastic job. I used the meat sticks on here, and yeah, they let me know when they're ready. So check this out. We'll be back out, and we'll see which one's better. The Texas brisket rub or the sweet chipotle rub. I think I'm gonna like that one because I love a little spice. So, all right, we'll check this all out, and I'll be back to do a taste test. All right, so I got these pork tenderloins. They are really small, but that's good. I don't want any big, huge ones. I am gonna clean them up a little bit. This one has some silver skin and fat on it, so we want to remove that. Just because I don't want to eat it. Okay, I'm going to get these cleaned up. I'm not going to bore you watching me prepare these, but anyway, I'm going to get this silver skin off, this fat off, some of this fat off, and I'll be right back. That's pretty good. I got a little handful, a little bit of meat, but not too much. So the first thing I'm going to do with these, one of them I'm going to use this Spanglish Asadero sweet chili rub, and the other one I'm going to use Malcolm Reed Killer Hogs brisket rub. It's more of a salt, pepper, garlic kind of thing. Of course, it says salt, seasonings, and garlic. But anyway, I am going to use a mustard binder on this, both of them. Just French's. You can use any kind of mustard you want, or no mustard at all. These are moist enough, the rub will stick. Sometimes with pork, I just like putting the mustard on it. You're not going to taste it. But, yeah, my cutting board is turning on me. I don't have a paper towel underneath it. All right, I think I'm, the small one, I think I'm going to do the Texas brisket rub. Yeah, I washed my hands in between here. Get the mustard off of my hands. At least my right hand, so I could do the rub. Okay, so this is going to be a Texas brisket pork tenderloin. And then this one here, we're going to spice it up a little bit. This stuff, it tastes pretty good. It is sweet and it is spicy, so this is going to be great for this pork. I got to have my spicy. Okay, I'm going to let these sit a minute. Let me go show you how I got this London Sunshine 15-inch Kamado Jr. Let me show you how I'm setting it up this time. All right, so here's my London Sunshine Kamado Jr. 15-inch. Now what I'm going to do, since I don't have a heat shield for this, I made one for my little cadet, the little 13-inch one, using these clamps. Last time I looked, I can't find these on Amazon. I had a link for them, but they're not there anymore. So I'm going to use these. I got 4 of them here, right? So I'm going to put the other one right here. All right, there's the 4th one right there. So I have 4 of them in here. And then I've got this little 10-inch pizza stone that I bought a while back. I thought it would work with the cadet, but I wrapped it in foil. And then I'm just going to set it right on top. And that is going to be my heat deflector. I got plenty of space all the way around. And then my grate just fits right on top, just like that. All right, let's get these on here. I'm trying to run it around 250, but it's a little bit higher right at the moment, but it'll go down as soon as I get these on here. We do have the meat sticks in here. I'm gonna have to turn this like this because I don't want these overhanging too much. All right, and then this little one, it'll definitely do the turn. All right, this is these would fit. I just don't want them to overhang my little pizza stone. So we're gonna let them run like this. They probably only take an hour or less. So yeah, I'll be back probably as soon as they're done. Alright, my meat stick is telling me that this little one here is done already. So let me double check it here. Yeah, shoot, that's saying 149 in that thinner area. So I'm going to get this little one off. It's only been like 40 minutes. This one here's got to go a little longer. Let's just pull that little baby off. I didn't flip it. I just let the top smoke. There it is. All right, we'll give this probably another 20 minutes. I am running, oh, well, it dropped down to 200. I've got it down to 250, so we're running good. All right, the old meat stick is telling me this second one is done. Look at that. All right, I kept this one under foil. Gonna keep warm, juicy. Let's get that one off. That one is the sweet chili, sweet chipotle rub. That's the Texas rub. Let's go cut this up and do a taste test. All right, there we are. That front one there is with Killer Hogs Texas brisket rub, and that bigger one back there has the Spanish Asadero sweet chipotle seasoning on there. So let's cut it up. Meat sticks out of here first. And I think I'll cut up this little one here with the Killer Hogs. Let's see how we did. Look at there. Cooked to perfection. And of course, we'll cut some medallions out of it. Do a taste test. So tender. Okay. Next up is the Spanish Asadero sweet chipotle. These are smoked to 145 degrees internal. Look at that. Looks amazing. Very tender. Cuts like butter. And so we'll go do a taste test. We'll see which one I like better. Look at that. So good. All right. Let's go outside. All right. What do you think of that? There you go. Smoked pork tenderloin. This one's the sweet chipotle. This one's the Texas brisket rub from Killer Hogs. And that is the London Sunshine 15-inch Kamado Jr. Let's give the brisket one a taste first. Look at that. So tender. These were 145 degrees. I did have some cherry wood in there. All right, Texas brisket was really good. Let's try the sweet chipotle. I got to tell you, both of them are so super tender. Tender and juicy. Oh. Well, do I have to pick a favorite? I actually kind of like the Texas brisket rub because I like a lot of just salt, pepper, garlic on things. The sweet chipotle is good. It's got a little bit of spice, which makes it really tasty. Oh boy. This Texas brisket rub. So good. All right. Well, there you go. That's my smoked pork tenderloin, Kamado Jr. Thanks for checking this out. Hope you have a great day.